to admit.
Nobody has enough time on Monday.
Not at the end, right? Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. How are you, sir? Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Not yet. Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you are audible. Are we audible?
Yeah, you are also audible, sir. Yes, please.
Okay, good.
How is it going?
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good, sir. What about you?
Yeah, we all are good. So
Yeah.
far, so good.
Yeah.
Good to see you in person. On
Yeah,
Zoom.
same here. Virtual meet is the order of the day nowadays.
Yes.
About it. But isn't that good?
Right.
Because you are 24/7 connect.
Yeah, that is some plus, some minus, but yeah,
Correct.
right.
As I would like to ask you just how many hours is Gaurangi clocking back home studies?
Yeah, that is depend. Like, are you looking only for like what are classes you are conducting for that,
No,
or
I'm asking
total?
for, no, altogether.
Altogether, I must say 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours of self-studies.
Self studies, yes, because she does know your assignment and then Alan's and whatever she is doing, but yeah, not more than that. So I'm not exaggerating.
No, that's fine. 6 to 7 hours of self-study if she's into, they'll take care of what are the requirements.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Anything that you would like to know from me?
Oh, that was the only question. For this
No,
meeting?
I have this.
I thought you
just
might
6
want
hours.
to share something. Okay,
As
how's
of
this?
now, it is premature for me to make any comment vis-a-vis her because the association is only for 2 months for now. It's 2 months.
Yes.
So it'll be premature
Right.
to make any comment. The only that I have a concern is if a student is indulging for 6 to 7 hours back home, then they are on track for now. So that's the only question which I would like to know an answer to. And secondly, it's a world wherein we should not get any dispensation. Like if I am taking a particular topic, and if I find that this particular topic can be taken by any XYZ or in days to come by artificial intelligence, as you know, then there is no worth. Then there is no worth because we'll be easily dispensable. So that should not be the case. That's the reason I have always looked forward for the approach of student. It is not important whether I'm getting the end result or not. End result you will get floating in many spheres of availability that you have, you will get end results. So that is not what I look for. I look for what the approach of student. I find Gaurangi to be good on approach, and she is able to grasp. She is able to apply as well what she has grasped that very day. But the repetition being somewhere a concern, if I ask the same 7 days down the line, I find her to be at loss.
Okay.
That day is good, but 7 days down the line, if you're not able to recollect, means somewhere you did falter on revision. So that is something which I make no bones about. I ask my student to write, rewrite. That is an age-old process, as you know. But there is no replacement for it. You'll have to write it down. You don't have any alternative.
Yes.
That I keep on pestering my students, and I am very particular about if something being taught and you're not able to recollect. That is something which pisses me off, because once being done, it should be committed to memory, whichever way you deem fit, you are open to, but you need to commit it to memory. Retention is 80% what education requires. If you're not able to retain, if you're not able to recollect, there is no point going for classes. So that is something I think I'm still online.
Yes.
That's the concern. That is
You are.
6 hours is good with me.
Okay. But Sir, any suggestion you want to give to us as parent, which we can do from our side better? Like as you mentioned, okay, sometimes she's really doing good, but yeah, if you go down the line 6-7 days, she might not be able to recover. Anything which you think that okay, which we as a parent can improve from our side, or we can ask her to be focused more, or
Sir,
something.
if
I know
you're
that okay,
giving,
nowadays even no.
no, sir, if you're
Yeah.
giving us 6 hours, if you're giving me 6 hours of studies, self-studies, then I'll say that I'm sorted. For now, I'm sorted. When is required an isolation or let's say
Okay.
appreciation on 6 hours, I'll let you know about it. But for now, if I'm getting 6 hours from Gaurangi and 6 hours for indulgence, 6 hour indulgence means if with trapped tension sees into 6 hours, not that 6 hour I'm getting up in every 15 minutes or so intermittently. That is not what I have read of Gaurangi. So I know that if he's for 6 hours there, she will at least sit for 2 hours only, then we'll take a break. So that is what I read of Gaurangi. Maybe I'm wrong, but that is what my reading is, that yes, she'll sit for at least 2 hours of the 6 hours and only then will ask for break. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, yes, around that time. Yeah,
Yeah.
plus minus. You are right.
Yeah, so that is good with me for now. I'm comfortable in my skin with 6 hours of self-studies.
Yeah,
And
yeah. So
as
I'm
far
not
as
saying okay,
reflection,
she's 10 hours, 11 hours, but yeah, 6 hours is for sure.
yeah,
Because that's
that
what
is-
even know we are just checking because everybody's at home now. So
yeah,
we know that
correct.
okay, what is going on.
No,
Yeah, but yeah,
that
I'm
is
not sure
also
if it is
taken
right
care
or
by me. Don't worry, you rest your concern on that aspect, because that I'll take care of. That what have been allocated to them, they are getting me
yes,
in the
yes,
form and manifestation that I require. So that is my lookout.
yes,
You
yes,
can repose faith on me on that aspect.
No, no, definitely, definitely. That's what the very first time when we had a word and you mentioned, okay, don't worry, you just make sure that okay, she is able to crack the exam and then you will take care.
Yeah,
So
that
I
is
am
what I'm
hoping that
trying to
okay,
do,
on the
sir.
right path.
That is what
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
no,
trying to
definitely.
do.
She is satisfied. I think whenever, no, not on daily basis, but yeah, she is also looking good, like satisfied that okay, whatever the aim, no, initially we thought of that okay, let's start these classes, no, whatever knowledge sharing you are having with the kids. So they all are satisfied that okay, yeah, we are having something new in the sense that okay, yeah, whatever we were missing. So it's really good that okay, we were able to connect with you on the right time so that we
Thank you, sir.
didn't miss this opportunity. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Otherwise, anything else, sir, which you want to share, or like we were having some request. As you know that, okay, I know this stuff for you also, but as she's having Allen's also, and going forward, she's going to start her
Right,
regular school also. The school, I'm
right,
not sure how much level,
right.
but will it be possible to do some adjustment? I know you have other kids also, they are also doing the coaching classes, or they might be going to some here and there, some school.
Right, right.
But if there's any, some conflict, 1 hour or 30 minutes, is it possible to just accommodate those
No,
classes timing?
it is very much possible, sir. As you know that there are kids and I have to juxtapose it to everyone's need. So
Yes, yes, yes.
that's the major contention. That's the Achilles heel with me, that if 15 minutes, 20 minutes tweak is required, we can somehow manage. But 30-minute, 1 hour, if it's required, it will be difficult for me, because we are
Right,
fixed
right,
on not only the number of hours which we are clocking, but also the days. And I am taking batch right from June entrance examination to 12. So I have to somehow adjust along with my
right, right,
daily chores adjustment. I have to make myself adjustment I have to make so that I can get into the suit of every individual.
right. No, I
That
understand.
I'll
I
try
just
to
thought
do.
of,
I'm not negating it. I'll try in my capacity the best, and that is what I've been trying. So
yes, yes.
if
No,
it's
no, no,
about
there is
15
no
to 20
such.
minutes can be done.
Okay, okay, fine. I think yeah, if that
And
is
when the
possible.
schools
And
are to
again,
be open,
everything
then
is
everyone will have a different schedule to follow. Then we will certainly
yes,
have to go for a rescheduling, and
yes,
rescheduling
yes.
taking everyone into account.
Right, right, right. Fine,
So
sir.
we'll do that.
Otherwise, how is it going, sir? 11th portion, everything like I know. I think this class schedule is still August, I guess. No,
No,
and
it'll
we are
be
in
up
June.
to no 23rd of July, not August. 23rd
Oh,
of July.
23rd of July.
Thereafter,
Oh, my bad.
yeah.
Okay, so
Thereafter
are
we will
we?
have interaction in the form of quizzes.
Oh, okay, okay. So that will continue. Like even
Yeah.
after this portion is complete, then
Yes.
at least no, we don't want to miss that touch whatever as of today we are having.
No, that will not be. That cannot be, because that
Because
will be undoing my job, right? Then what will I have to take from
yes,
student?
yes,
The takeaway will be a not. So that should not be the case. I'm not to let lose them. 23rd is the
definitely.
date which is being allocated, because on 23rd I'll be starting revision batch. So
Okay,
revision batch,
okay.
if the student wants to go for, we have a different structure for it. If the student doesn't
Okay.
want to opt for revision batch, then they will be in touch with us through examination, through tests.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm not
okay,
going to
okay,
lose touch with them. That cannot,
Yeah, yeah. No,
because
that's what we were
losing
thinking.
touch
Okay,
with them
I'm
means
not
doing
sure.
away with everything. You'll do away with everything
Yes,
that
yes,
you are done with them. It'll be all
Right,
lost.
right, right. Because I think till now, no, whatever pace you are taking, which is really good. I think I'm assuming that okay, we might be completed with 60 to 70%.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
So if that is the case, then definitely by July 23rd, if you're going to complete,
Yeah.
then we have no a long way
Yeah,
to
yeah.
go till
Yeah, we
11th
have a
exam.
long,
We just
and we
want
have
to
a long
touch
way to
it.
go also in curriculum, sir. We have a long way to go also in content, because what I'm taking now is limited to SC Verma in a way. I'm pestering my way, but that is limited to SC Verma. I'm not pestering
yes.
on IE Rudo as of now.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
IE Rudo, if you're not through physics, is what I take. I take it
Yes.
that way. So
Okay.
you need to get through IE Rudo. And IE Rudo, if you want to
Mhm.
get through, you need to invest on time. It cannot be taken with this pace. What we are going with the syllabus as of now. With this pace, IE Rudo cannot be taken because you require investment on time. So our
Yes.
agenda is up to, and that has always been the case, up to 23rd, we'll get done with the basic. And by basic, I mean SC Verma done. After
Okay.
SC Verma being done, you get some concept on the topics being taken, then you can pave your way through IE Rudo. IE Rudo, as of
Okay.
asking for now, will not be just, as it requires investment on time.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is taken after of 23rd of July. There, what we do in the batch revision, we will take each and every question on every topic from IE Rudo, along with repository that we do have. Repository of questions. So that is for revision to be seen, if one is opting for. If not, then you'll get questions on intermittent basis.
Okay. But supposingly, sir, I'm not saying okay, she will not be opting for the revision batch or not. That is
Yeah.
because July
Yeah.
and then we'll see how it goes.
Correct.
But if suppose she is not opting,
Yeah.
50%,
Yeah.
50-50,
Yeah.
then and she started with the IE Rudo and that no.
Right.
And then she started on that by herself, and then she has some doubt and all.
Yeah.
So
Anytime. Correct.
anytime, no.
That'll be open up to advanced examination 2022. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, so that is not the case. It's not that the period being over, you cannot be in touch with me. I'll be incommunicado. That is not the case ever. You'll always be in touch. Whatever questions you have with IE Rudo or related to physics, even maths, chemistry, you can always be and ask.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, once the students are with us under our wing, they are there for their masters and PhD as well. I can pass on the students who are there still contacting us when PhD, they are pursuing their PhD at different places. So for your assurance, if you do want.
No, I understand.
That's not the
It's
case.
really
We are
good.
not that
That's the
professional.
relationship.
If we are not
That's
that
the relationship. Yes. Anything else by any chance, like if you want to?
No, that's it. We'll be in contact. We'll be in touch. We are in touch.
Okay.
24/7, isn't it?
Sure.
Anything that you want to put in any point in time, please feel free.
Sure. Yeah, we'll do that, sir.
Sure.
But thanks a lot for all your good work, hard work.
Thank you,
we are
sir.
seeing
Thank
the
you. It's
improvement.
your modesty.
Please
You are
enjoy.
also looking into it. We are all looking into it. This is a triangle: teacher, parent, and student. This triangle only can work. Any link broken will be a far cry to achieve the objectives.
No. We'll make sure that nothing is going to break, and then we'll.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
So how are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to, actually, I was waiting for you. I thought you will be busy, so I didn't disturb you those days. And even I had school, so I was busy with my reopening schedules and orientations and all.
Right.
So you have to say anything, then I will tell sir, like, what is the problem, what is happening actually.
No, firstly,
So,
welcome, because this is a platform, the first time that we are interacting. And it has been
okay,
a 1
okay.
year of association. So I wish a welcome first.
Yes, sir.
And this
Yes,
is the
sir.
order of the day. This is how we need to interact now in the coming year, I
Correct.
presume. So what I have to say about Adesh is, ma'am, I am finding him slightly being at this point in time, not was seen the same last year. But what I'm finding him is that he's getting very quickly nerved, and he is letting the emotion get better of him very quickly nowadays. So why has this crept in? The reason for the same
I'll just tell you.
maybe that he's
There are a lot of things.
overoccupied, overwhelmed with work, or worked out a bit, because of which this is happening. But this is something which is counterproductive, will not help him at all, is what my reading is. So we need to ease him. Whatever way possible, we need to ease him. We need to let him buy time. This is my reading. Now, for
Yeah.
you, if you have to
So,
make any observations.
I'll tell you, a lot of things are happening at our end. Actually, he's mentally disturbed, sir. I should tell you that as a thing. He's like, first of all, there are so many things school is happening, and as a parent, as a mother, or as a teacher in the same school, and I know what teachers are expecting, because what they are expecting, because all are my colleagues and are my friends, those teachers, and they have coached my daughter also, so I know them. So a lot of things are expected. That is the thing. Then second is this physics tuition, then Alan, and then on the top of it, I am there to push him to do chemistry, to do this. See, he was always an outstanding student till 10th. You trust me, I have never ever sat with him or coached him. So the thing is, now he got mentally, it is affecting his mental health. I could see he was getting bouts of, in the night he's getting up, and he's not able to sleep. And in the morning, then I can see the swollen eyes. So 2-3 times I asked, why your eyes are swollen? What is going on? He didn't tell me initially, then I can see. Then I spoke to she's my colleague, and she's a counselor also.
Okay.
So she said, it is happening too much on the child.
Okay.
So and he is performing. I should not say that. Yeah. See, he will do. You have seen him last 1 year, how obedient he is.
Yeah.
And if I say, okay, get up and do right now, he will do it. He is that kind of a child.
He will adhere to it. I know that. He's very amenable child, that I know, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, so when the test is going, especially that your test and all, and he wants to do well. It's not that he doesn't, but what happened, the time constraint, either school ka pressure, he has not completed his project, he has not completed his school work, he has taken some physics ka something, Meon, something, and he's enjoying that seminars. So he has to do that. But if what I like, if you won't allow me, then what is the use? Trust me, till I never encourage him for others, because I know his academics are really strong, and I wanted to do all that. But he said, no, I want to do this also. You are not allowing me this. You have not allowed me to go in sports. You have not allowed me to take part in MAN. Let me take part in this now. So I was listening, and then I put him to some counselor. So counselor said that, see, he's having lot of pressure in his mind, because there is expectation from everyone. He's putting on himself also so much expectations. If you are saying the school also you have to do well, physics sir also you have to do well, Ellen also you have to do well, you have to do all your records, all your practicals. So how that child, each one has that capability, have caliber.
Right.
So I was really, the other day he cried like anything, sir. Twice I saw that bout of crying. Otherwise, he is a very jolly good child. I was in Davangere once in the class. He told to leave the class. I was so scared he shouldn't do anything. I was in the car and I was on my way, and I was instructing, don't do, I'm there. It's okay, sir has taken on, you join back. He was crying inconsolably. I was shivered that he should not do anything. We just rushed off home to see he's all right. That was one incident, and one more incident happened, like he don't know what to do. And even I was very angry that day. Usually I don't get angry, but that day I was really angry. So even I said, so he said, I will commit suicide. He just told me this sentence. So it took my heart, like, this was a statement from my son, who is such a jolly good fellow. So I was like, what is he talking nonsense? What are you doing? You're such an outstanding student, and no, you expect, everybody expects. So what I should do, I'll do one thing, I'll kill myself. That's the end of the thing. Then I called my husband. He came rushing from the office at home, and we were like, we don't know what to do. So I took let him take us. Even in school, I told teachers. I spoke to his teacher and said, this is all happening. Please don't pressurize him. I know he's an outstanding student. He will eventually do it. So just give him some time. I told. I requested all the teachers. Teachers said, don't worry. From our side, we will
Right.
take care. And now I said 12 board won't happen if the internals only marks are going to have, you have to do well in internals.
True,
That
true,
pressure
true.
also I was mounting. So many things came up, sir. I didn't know how to react. So I said, okay, let me shut off for some time. So I
Okay.
just left him.
Okay.
So now maybe he's little fine, but still he's coming out of it. And recent Allen test was there. So I said, whatever you can do, but you won't believe he got 100 on 100 in physics.
Mhm.
He's ranked 2.
Okay, that's good.
So I said, from where these marks have come, he has got so 85, 86 in chemistry and such a wonderful marks, about 250 out of 300. So I said, yeah, that means you can do, simply you're putting,
Yeah, of course, he has got the potential, ma'am. There's a reason he is there.
Yeah, so I think he's in a very kind-hearted person. He's a very kind-hearted.
he
Even
is.
with the maids, he doesn't like, to say loudly. If I say
Yeah,
to anybody,
yeah.
he doesn't like.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So
yes,
I think he cannot take that scolding or shouting, and there is a time crunch also.
Yeah,
School is
correct.
expecting, Alan is,
Correct,
and
correct.
he says chemistry and math I want to do, Alan. And I was going through chemistry module, sir. It is
Mhm.
totally different from NCRT, organic and all. So he said, if I won't study this, mummy, how I'll get marks? So I said, okay, you
That
go
is
on.
for LN marks, right, ma'am? We are not preparing for LN.
Yeah.
We are preparing for IIT. So in IIT, better you be the judge. You go through the archive, and you will be updating yourself on what they focus on. They are keeping it to NCRT, nothing beyond it. And spasmodic, see this intermittent or spasmodic, you are with the same fraternity, so students do go through ups and down during this age in particular.
Yes,
So that will have to take care of. But at the same time, it cannot be at the expense of their potential, because I'm aware of, now he is there for about 1.5 years with me. I know what
Yes,
potential
sir.
he is bestowed with. So I am to unravel. So I'll be behind of him. Yeah, the way that I am behind of him, these are the ones which are going to get cropped up. Then we'll have to address them as well along with. But this should not be at the expense of unraveling of potential. That is important for me. He is to get me what I'm expecting of him, because I'm expecting very high of him. And I know I can get from him. It is not for nothing that he is scoring 250, 300, as you said. He has the potential. Yes, he requires time, which is very cogent ask. I won't say it is,
Yes, sir.
which for me is to take care of, but for him is to take care of. So he is very well aware of what is the time space which he wants. And in this time space, if he is able to find comfort so as to pursue, not comfort to be in comfort zone. So comfort so as to pursue, then we are good with it. We are good in extending time, because we do have time. I do have time with him. I am in no crunch of time with Adesh. Adesh has seen his 11th with me. And there are many students who have not seen the 11th. They are pari passu looking into 11th and 12th portion, which is not the case with Adesh. He is a departure, and departure for good. So I am in no hurry to rush through the topic. We do have time. If you are looking forward for there being a juxtaposition with LN or school, then certainly things are going to go south, because LN will have a different model to follow. LN will have 3 subjects to follow. School will also ask for following, and you are with that school, so you will like him to perform to his optimum. It's a given. Any parent will like to show the best of the child in the school that they are in. So with all the compartments to be addressed, if we are not getting him space, it'll be difficult for him to gel to it. And if it's difficult for him to gel to it, it'll be an easy escape that he will look forward. So
Yes.
as of what I am to add to it, I have tried to make it cogent. I have tried inadvertently or advertently. I will not say that I was always known to it. So inadvertently or advertently, what I have tried to do is I have tried to get him time. And that you can very well gauge, because last 4 months, I was able to do only 2 topics with him. So that is extension of time beyond comprehension, beyond my comprehension. So if more is asked of me, that no, you get me more time on the topics, it'll be difficult for me to keep to time on schedule.
I agree. I agree, sir.
Yes.
I agree
Ellen,
with your
what you
time
have to
constraint.
do, school, what you have to do,
Yes,
I don't want to suggest you on that, ma'am, that you are to decide. But extension on
yes.
time from my end, I will ask you for an excuse. It is not possible.
I know. Yes, sir. I agree with. Yes, I agree. That's why I didn't approach you because there is nothing in your hand. Now I know you have done your best, whatever it is. That's why I just kept quiet because I was also little mentally, I didn't know how to tackle this situation.
And
So see, sir, now now unit test is going on his in school because the opening day only in the summer break they finished little bit portion on that. Now the UT
okay.
is going on. I think on Monday he has chemistry.
Okay.
Yesterday he had English. Before that math. So the UTs are going. After UTs again, until 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the school goes. Right after 2 o'clock, again he says, I have to revise this, I have to do this, and all his work in school is incomplete. Worksheets, you won't believe there were 100 sums in math worksheet he didn't do. So one day before I sat with him and I made him do from the morning till the evening. I said, no, you have to do this. I don't want to have a sorry figure in front of my
Yeah, of
colleagues
course.
or teacher.
course.
So now the thing is, what is the best? Can we have a little break and can he come back? Can you do that way? Or then I will talk to his dad and think about it, because time is really a constraint. Now school he cannot miss. Attendance is compulsory. Unit tests are going on. Then Alan, math and chemistry, sir, he has to attend Alan.
Correct.
Physics, I'm not at all worried because was with you last year in your hands, and by grace of God, he's really very confident in physics, and that is all it goes to you, sir. The
No,
kind
it's
of
all
pressure you have
look
put
at
on.
God's grace, ma'am. It's not that. I am doing anything.
No,
You
I
always
just give
say.
you full credit for his physics. No, sir, I will not take that. I'll give full credit to physics. 100 and 100. Who says who gets it? And only 2 kids got it. He was one of them. So, he's. So I was thinking, what to do now? Can we take some breaks, sir? If it is with you.
Yeah, I got your point, ma'am. But going for hiatus or sabbatical is not good, ma'am. Going for a break is never good. You can speed up or you can decelerate. But going for a break, according to me, will not be good. So
Okay,
if he is
so
looking for a deceleration, if he is looking for, let's say, speeding things down, is good. But hiatus and sabbatical, they are not good in educational field. They are good in other field, not in educational field. Because that'll be then keeping you off the track, which I don't want him to be. He is well
I
on
know,
track.
I know,
He
I
should,
know, I
the
know.
tempo should not be
Yeah,
disturbed. Tempo should not be disturbed.
yeah.
So what best can be done is the pace that we are, even the pace that I am in is quite cogent, but I'll say that that can still be worked on and can be made to his suit. So what can be done
Okay.
that, let's say, one class or 1.5 class a week or so, that pace we can.
Yeah, one class. That's what the 3 things I have. It has come in my mind, 1 or 1.5 class. And for 2-3 months, sir, let the test be not there now.
Yeah.
I will say that he is preparing.
No, ma'am. You got me
He
wrong.
gets worked up with the marks.
Test was never a part of the curriculum that we are in. Test is in going
Yes.
to what I want to know of student is where the approach is, not where is the concept is. Concept I get from the assignment that I get. I want to know where the approach is. See, ma'am, you know very well, then the time to come will be all easily dispensable. Why? Because if it is all memory based, there is no use for teachers. Okay, it'll be fed in computer and then from there you put in loop and you get the answer. So you need to make yourself indispensable by approach. So how you make an approach towards question, that is important for me to know, and that I can know only by tests. So that is what the tests are for. He takes it differently,
No,
which is
sir,
good for
I'll
me
tell
now.
you what is happening. These tests are putting pressure on him because school test, Allen test, this test, that is what he told me. And sometimes even I give chemistry because I want him to work on that. So I give him worksheet and test and I give him marks.
But
So
mine is
he's
only
saying
one in a month, ma'am.
yeah,
Mine
one is
is
that.
only
No,
one in a
that is
month.
not the frequency. Frequency is not the issue.
Yeah.
The issue is that marks which he doesn't do well, and then he's all worked up. So I thought, okay, I'll talk to sir, at least take the classes for the test. We will see later what to do. So if you at least attend and finish your curriculum, then we will work on your test series or whatever we can do. So I was thinking for just 2 months, if you just one and a half class, if you take and complete the curriculum, and then we will see. And trust me, sir, I'm never ever going to say I will, if he clears or he doesn't clear it, I will never say that it is why he didn't clear, because I know as a teacher, you have worked like whatever to the best you have done. So it's up to his now. He has to prove himself. So if he does, it is your credit. And if he doesn't do, it is his mistake. That I've really
It's not
told him.
that way.
clearly.
I take the onus either way, ma'am. I'll have to be responsible for both. Is good or bad. So that is what I take. I take it that ways only. Let us say that we will be wrapping it up with 1 or 1.5 classes. By 1.5, I mean 1 class and half class for doubt. So 1.5 classes for every week. And for test, 1 test in a month, he will have to somehow brave himself.
Sir, because that is what he doesn't want. He will cry and he will make my life hell, sir. I'm telling you that he will cry. He doesn't want. He says, okay, I'll attend the curriculum. That also he's saying, I don't have time. I said, no, you have to do. You cannot. Even Alan, he wants to miss in between. I said, no, you cannot. Because chemistry and math is where he has to work. Math is the worst.
Finding escape is no virtue. There is no point. There is no.
But that is what he wants. Otherwise, he says, I will not attend any classes. In fact, in between, he said, I'm leaving Alan. I don't want to give IIT. So I cannot put so much pressure.
That cannot be the case. We have been working and we need to at least test waters.
No. Deciding 15 days back, after 23rd year exam, he told I'm not giving IIT. I'm coming out of IIT and there are so many other options.
Is he around? Where is he?
Adi. रो में बुलाओ ना आदेश को, कहाँ है वो, रूम में बैठा है शायद. Come here. Adi. Yeah, so he is not ready for the test. He is not ready for the thing. He was leaving Alan. He said, I will leave everything. If you say, I will sit at home. And really, he was very much mentally, so then counselor said, just give him 15 days time, then he'll come back. So he's okay now. And after the Alan test, he's little fine. So sir, we will do one thing, test. Okay, I will just ask him later on if he is ready. Let us make him ready for the, such a bright child and he's wasting his talent. That is hurting me.
Yeah, it should not be the case.
Yeah.
Vehement should be given an ease on. That I do agree with.
Yeah, so let the test we leave it now for, I will, after 2 months, I will approach you and I'll try to convince him. Because, again, it should not go back to what he has gone through in 15-20 days. See, again, he's fighting with his dad that I'm scared with sir, I don't want to come. I said, nothing will. He's very scared of you, very much scared. I think you are the only teacher he is scared of, I'm telling you. Otherwise, he's never scared of his school teachers or anyone. But when it comes to, with me, he's scared of me. And second, 2 persons he has seen, it is me and one is you. 2 people only he's scared of.
I don't know if that is productive or counterproductive. It is productive is good for me. It's counterproductive. I need to work on it.
Yes.
This should not be the case that
he's not ready to come.
Scared.
He's very scared.
No, that shouldn't. Ask him to come. Ask him to come.
Adi, come. Sir have another meeting.
Yeah,
sir has to go for another parent meeting. He can't be waiting for us. Please come here. 2 minutes, come and talk to sir and then you can go back. Just 2 minutes. Come. No need to cry. Come.
Yes, Adesh, how are you doing, dear?
Say good afternoon.
So I'm doing fine.
Okay, what happened? What are you scared about? What are you scared
crying
about?
again.
Why crying? Huh? Why sulking? Why sulking? I can see watery eye. I can see you're well up. Are you well up?
Yes.
Show me your eyes.
Yeah.
You are well up. Why are you well up? Yes, dear. Why sulking? Adesh, you are known to that.
Tell what is your problem? Just speak it to sir. Whatever is your problem, tell.
Yeah, whatever is your problem, speak it out. Please speak it out. Don't keep it pent up. You know that I don't like student keeping it pent up. Your emotions.
Whatever is
don't
the
be
issue,
pent
just
up.
tell sir.
Please don't pent up your emotions. Speak it out. Whatever it is. Yes. Because we are looking for a solution here. We are working for your good. Try to understand. Okay.
It's like that there's a lot at once, sir. So like school exams, now I have to do well in those. I have to get around above 24 because I don't know, board exams are there. In Allen also, sir, I have to do well in Allen. And my history and math I have to attend because I have gone through past year papers, so they are not easy questions. Probably from past 4 years, their questions might be from NCERT, but I don't know if it will still be from NCERT. I'm not taking that risk.
Okay.
And so then I have to do Allen module. Module also is a lot, so it's Allen module, though it's exhaustive, it's like never ending, and I have to count. And those questions are when I tried them, they are not easy, and
Right.
that's just taken my confidence. They are not easy questions.
Okay. Okay.
And his friend, I'll tell you one more
After doing
thing.
Iridope also, so Allen module, it's just too hard. Like unit, like after the normal exercise, in the end, there's this thing called unit, a year-long exercise that has a question from. So I don't know where they have got this question from. It's questions, all the questions from Krutov, Iridope, from Resnick, Halliday, from all the possible books. Those questions, so when you don't get them after doing so
Even
much,
math.
then I don't know what to do. Math and maths, so normal exercise is fine till JEE means fine.
Adesh, tell me one thing. Adesh, tell me one thing. You are preparing for IIT, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are preparing for good rank, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
want to be in the top, you want to be in the top bracket, upper echelon, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you need to be in touch with students who did manage to meet the cut, correct?
Sir, I've talked. My school is full of those students. 289 rank,
What did they
300,
tell you?
500.
What did they tell you? What did they tell you? Tell
The person who went to Allen, who got a rank of around, I think, below 1,000 itself, he said he did the Allen module twice, selected questions from Iridope, and from math and chemistry, he didn't go beyond Allen module. For physics, he did the Allen module twice, and in chemistry, he did one extra book of MS Chauhan for organic. That's it.
Okay.
And his rank was under 1,000.
Yeah, under 1,000, fine. Under 500, have you spoken to anyone under 500?
Yeah, so I spoke to one guy named Pranava Singhal,
Singhala.
and I spoke to another guy named
What did he
Daksh.
suggest?
Rank was
What did he suggest?
So Pranava Singhal was from Fiji, so he said, and he was
Prodigy.
yeah, he's like prodigy kind. So he said that he did Iridope plus what do you call his Fiji modules, and in chemistry and math he didn't go beyond the module. And the person who got around to rank 200 or 280, he did only the modules. So because his became very good in MCQs. And yeah, they all got 99 percentile in JEE mains. So because I have to do well in mains also. If I don't get good IIT, then mains, I'll take a very good
Means
brush
you'll
in
fall back. I
NIT.
got your point. So you're getting Iridope common, right? Apart from the modules that they are following, coaching may be different, but Iridope is common, right?
Yeah, selected questions. Everyone has done Iridope. Yeah.
So
Indeed, yeah.
what you have to do, when we design packages, we are to design packages so that it caters to need of every individual. So we keep it high at times. Few segment will be very high. Okay, we are not to get demotivated of not solving that segment. Okay, I can also flood you. You have been flooded with questions which you are not able to solve, right? Yeah.
So yeah, that's
So
yeah.
that is not what your judgment is based on. That is not, those segment are not your yardstick, correct? Yeah, your yardstick will be based on what is seen in common, and what is seen in common is Iridope, SC Burma, correct? If you are comfortable in your skin solving SC Burma, Iridope, but also keeping the time dangler on, which is important. Also keeping the time dangler on, you are through the preparation. Why are you inflicting on yourself so much of pestering? Why are you are just taking everything lying down? They are trying to go over the top, going to some result that they want of you, right? Yeah. You are to work and justify your potential. You have to not look for what others are seeking of you. I'm not looking for what your parents, what me or what Alan is seeking of you. I'm looking for unleashing of your potential. And I know that you will be able to solve Iridope easily. Yes, the only factor is time dangler when on, you get nerved. Time you cannot manage. So when you're practicing back home, you'll have to factor in time. It's not about what module you're following or what module you're not able to do. Please find enough ease and complacence in what you have solved. If you have solved Iridope, keeping time dangler into frame, you are through preparation, and that will show. Just now I got to know that you got 100 out of 100. So that will show. Don't take the benchmark or the yardstick as per what others are deciding of you. Okay, dear? You are just in getting your 100%. If you can sleep easily, you are through it. That is your potential. You have worked towards. Okay? Don't stretch beyond your capacity.
So thing is that, see, the reason I didn't come back to you even after that day was because in Allen, right? So I can guarantee you one time I will find it very hard. Now they are going to flood us with extra classes. They have to put the pressure because they have to complete the syllabus by October, right? Because after beyond that they can't accept October, September. So now I have extra classes every day from Friday, Monday to Sunday. Sunday, so you know the timetable, and they're taking on weekdays also because they have to complete the portion. And then online it goes very slow. They saw last year 11th syllabus was stretched all the way till April first week.
Ah,
This April first week. And now, for example, I had classes,
so
right?
why do
Like
they
right
do
now I have
this?
classes.
When the classes are to be taken, they don't.
So
When
because
is
in class,
Online.
yeah,
So due to online, it is becoming little
Very,
slow.
yeah, like-
What? Because once when I joined, made him join Allen for the physical class. He went for 2 classes, sir. The amount of thing they finish in the physical class and the amount of thing they finish in the online classes, there is little difference, sir. They are able to finish much
well,
faster in
stretching it by
physical
4 to
class.
5 months is too much of an ask, ma'am, right? Is 4 to 5
But
months
sir,
stretch.
yeah, but the sir is the concept also he needs to absorb. So even if they finish in Allen very fast, he has to absorb, and for that he has to study again. And you know what, the other day even I shouted at him, what are you doing all day? Then he said, how I will do, you tell me now. There is
Because-
biology, he was sitting, there are so much to learn, to memorize. You memorize in 1 hour and tell me how I will do it.
And-
And it is true, when I was sitting with him, it took 2.5 hours for us to do biology, that
Yeah.
small chapter.
the bio is an added pressure, which foolishly I took it. And I
Yeah, it
can't
was
do
his
anything now.
foolishness. He didn't realize that foolishness that time because he only filled up his form. So that is the foolishness. Now biology is taking so much of time. He's really, I keep shouting at him. Then he tells me how to do. You tell me,
So,
mama.
and I don't want to disappoint you, sir. That's
So,
why
and he
I
feel,
left
yes,
it after a point
yes.
of time. That what's the point? Eventually, sir's gonna get angry. I'm gonna get frustrated, and then
Sir
so-
will not be happy.
yeah.
That is what he
So I
said.
mean, actually, I'm trying to focus on.
No, it's
JEE
not about
right
me
now.
being happy or not. See, Adesh, I
No, sir.
tried my level best because you have seen the progress which I am in. I'm trying my level best to accommodate you. You being one of the
Yes,
dark
sir.
horse kind of a situation is what I'm expecting of you. And the only Achilles heel you say, or the bone of contention with you is you are being so absorbed. So if you are being so absorbed, what best I can do is I can stretch my time, which is what I did. I stretched it by 4 to 5 months.
I
But
saw that you
if
tried your best.
being
for
asked
sure.
beyond of it, it will be difficult for me to revise portion, which will not be of any good for me. That will be a far cry for me to expect anything of you.
So it won't be good for
I
me
don't want to be in
also,
that
because
state.
then-
So
So you
that
tell
is what I
sir
was
what,
speaking.
yeah.
You
See,
think
want
about
to
it
tell, you
because
tell, sir.
see Adesh, firstly, it's about you. If you do have time, good. If you don't have, then you can take a break. You can take a break and you can then meet after of this batch getting over in the revision session, which will begin, let's say in July or August. Or if you want to continue, then you'll have to somehow keep to the minimum pace which I am keeping as of now.
So yeah, of
1.5
course,
class.
every institute. So thing is that I have Allen, but Allen people don't know that I have to attend you also. So they will just flood.
No,
And
that's
thing is that thing is that what they're doing is that since JE, right, it's been for so long and so many topics have been covered over the years. So it's so much to complete, and even though 12th syllabus is a bit easier than 11th, it's still more voluminous. Even though 11th is harder, but I find it more voluminous.
It is.
And
So
chemistry,
you
though,
can do
so
one thing, then you can
What
for
you
now.
expect? What you are
See, there are two.
Yeah.
Let's come to the remedy now. The solution being either it can be a 1.5 class in a week with intermittent, that is, let's say in 2 months a test that can go up to next 2 months, which you do have with me. Or if you want to take a hiatus, a sabbatical, then you can take a hiatus or sabbatical for 2 months, in which this batch will get completed. Thereafter, if you feel, you can join for revision batch. So choice is yours. You have to make a
see,
choice.
the thing is that only, yeah, see, of course,
I want to make
sabbatical
my
no one-
point clear here, isn't it?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't
Yes,
want to
sir.
leave it in
Yes,
lurch.
sir.
I don't want to leave it in lurch. I don't want to leave it at a note wherein the relationship has gone south. Okay. If we are parting, we should part on a happy note. So if you are to take it that way, is 1.5. If you are taking, if you're able to manage 1.5 class a week, then it's good, because I cannot slow down beyond it. I can slow down up to a
Yes.
level which is possible.
There's no point then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1.5
Yes,
class
sir,
is the
I
minimum
agree
which I
with
can
you.
slow it down to, keeping to your suit. If not, then you can take a break of 2 months and then get back to, isn't it? That is for you to decide. Okay. But in whichever situation you are to put yourself, please ease yourself. Okay, dear. And there is no point going back on your commitment. Okay. You have committed to IIT preparatory
Yes,
course.
sir.
You have to take it. You have to take it on your chin. You are man enough to take it. Okay, dear. So dig your heel
Yes, sir.
and pull yourself. Okay, dear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Chalo, all
Yes,
the
sir.
best then.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
ma'am.
Sir, I'll let you know whatever it is,
Sure,
whether
sure.
he wants, yeah.
Sure.
Or otherwise, after 2 months, he will join back. That
Sure,
way
sure.
also will.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
You can see that. I think data. Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. How are you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm doing well.
Okay.
My mom is joining from other device because she's in the office.
Okay. So who
She's
else?
coming soon. Only my mom.
Okay. So if mom is not able to join, then who will be playing her part, dear? You cannot play your mom's part, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So where is it? Where is the dad?
My dad, he's not, means he's in his native.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm fine. In that case, you will convey my message to your mother. Tell
She's
her
coming,
that
sir. She's joining.
She'll be coming. Joining in what time?
Right now, 1 second. I'll just call her. 1 second.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Hello. Yes, sir. She's joining in a minute. In a minute.
Okay. How many number of hours you're clocking back home? What is the number
So,
of hours other than the school and coaching engagements?
my school ends at 3:30.
Mhm.
So after 3:30, I'll have my lunch. And after that, I'll start my studies at 4:30 and I'll continue till 5:30 or 6 o'clock maximum.
Mhm.
After 6 o'clock, I'll take a 45 minutes break.
Mhm.
And after that, I'll continue till 9:30.
So I got 1.5 hour there, and 9:30 means 7, 2.5 hour this side, correct? So 1.5
And morning,
hour. Yeah, continue.
and I'll sleep at 10 o'clock. And morning, I'll wake up at 4:30, and I'll study till 7:30.
Okay, that is good. So it'll collate to around 6 hours, correct? 6 hours of self-studies, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how are you channelizing it? In these 6 hours, what is the productivity of these 6 hours will be known to only when you get a channel. And what that channel to me? The channel will be when you get to me, the mood, what are you doing in these hours? So what are you exactly into solving these hours?
So these hours I'll be doing the work which you gave, and I'll prepare the notes, and I'll solve the questions from HMMR too, and I'll do the school stuff and chemistry from Lakshmi Singh, and I'll study those. I'll study CBSE as well as IIT JEE.
So you are solving the books prescribed along with NCERT, right? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And you are maintaining a record of all, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I'll be seeking your record later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear. I think your mother has joined, correct?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you hear me? Just a minute. Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you hear me? Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. I think I'm audible, right, ma'am?
Good evening, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Everything is good about Om. I was just asking before of your join that how many number of hours he's clocking. Just to get the veracity on the same, he said that around 6 hours, that means collating it morning and evening also after of his school. I got to know that he is clocking 6 hours. So if he is clocking 6 hours and keeping to the assignments that I'm getting him on physics, chemistry, and mathematics, then for now, those 6 hours will take care of. And Om will himself be vouching on what I am to state, which is in last 1.5 months, he has seen progress. Not at the time when he joined, but last 1.5 months, I'm appreciative of his progress. Only last
Yes,
1.5 months. But this should not make you complacent, Om, right, dear? It's a long journey, and we have to enjoy this journey, isn't it, Om? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
A very long journey. It's a journey of around 3 years here. Okay. So you need to be man enough to take it on your chin, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is no escape to it. You have to bite the bullet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you have to bite the bullet, then what you have to do is to keep to 6 hours, and in the intermittent, whenever I do ask, you need to add in 1 or 2 hours. Okay, I will not be asking, I will not be pestering. If you're keeping to 6 hours, I will not be pestering. But evidently, there can be an ask of 1 or 2 hour additional work. So you need to be in compliance with it. Okay, dear.
Sir.
Okay, ma'am, you are to be a stringent eye, is what I'll say. A stringent eye means whatever I do when I am in class with him is what you are to do when you are there back home with him. You need to
Yes,
do,
sir.
you need to be very strict, because this is the age when students do get very easily dissuaded. So we need to be very attentive about it. You know that what I'm speaking about, they can get dissuaded. We need to be very attentive about it. And secondly, we need to see that it's not just about rote method of learning. Rote method of learning will not find space in future. What will happen will be replaced easily by computers. Okay, because there'll be many processes over there. They will not be required. There'll be many a program over there. You will not be required. So what is important for us? Creativity is important for us. And what also is important for us is we make ourselves indispensable, and that we can only by approach. So we need to improve on our approach, which is what is required. So I always tell him that please make a distinct departure from rote method of learning. I've been telling Holmes time and again, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So that is not what will find space in future. Okay, dear? Creativity will find, and also find your approach. So always be very careful on your approach. Approach that you make towards a question is what is the key. It's not about seeing through the end of question. It's about the approach that you're making, and that is important. That's the reason when I get you questions, I look forward for only the approach, not the end result. Okay, so you have to improve on that front. And that can be only when you have consolidated on theory, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that you are, I presume, into doing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Anything that you would like to say, you like to add? Anything that I'm keeping you under very high pressure or something of the kind? Is it so?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Don't be afraid. Just speak your heart out today. Okay. Anything that you have to speak, try to speak, because we need to incorporate. We need to be accommodative, right? Yeah. So anything that you
Yes.
would like to know or would like to get from me or know on future course of action, you are free to ask. Yes, dear.
No, sir. I like it to being strict because I don't listen to people if they don't means if they're not strict. Yeah, I know that. I won't listen.
I know, dear, I'm coming from last 20 years of experience, so it's known to me who is to be in what way dealt. So and if you repose faith, if you have to lay credence on my experience baggage, then I'll see to it that you get your 100%, 100%. By 100%, I mean what you know very well. So when I say 100%, I mean 100%. So I need to know that I get from you 100%. So let me be in my capacity to leverage your potential. And I'll ensure to your parents that I am able to unleash your potential. Okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
So, ma'am, just keep a check back home. You have a cane, I presume. You have a cane, ma'am, back home? A cane or a rod?
Yes, sir.
You have a ruler or cane you have back home, right?
I'll bring it actually.
Yeah,
What?
you are free from my end, ma'am. Whenever I'll ask you, I'll give you a call. And then when I ask you that, okay, he deserves 2 cane, then you will have to ensure that he has got 2 canes. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That will be sure.
Okay, and that is
No,
what we can do.
nothing.
No,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
nothing works with them at this age. We know we have passed this age, so nothing work other than pestering. And they will be
Yes.
the one who will come blaming you. Know, if I don't pester them now, then they will be after 5 years down the line. What they will say, they will come back to me saying that at that time I was kid, I could understand, but you were grown enough. You would have made me study.
Yes.
So we need to save ourselves. We need to pre-barricade. That's the reason we need to be at times a bit stern, which is what is required. Till 5,
Yes, sir.
we should not, but after 5, they require a bit of chiding, a bit of scolding.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll tell you, I'll SMS you, and you will execute whatever I would have been there.
Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, I also wanted to tell when you have told parent-teacher meeting, you will be asking about his number of hours studying, all those, no? And one more, what I wanted to tell was, if you give homework, that he will sit and do with concentration without getting up. But if you, after your class will be over, he will finish off your class notes, what you have done. After that, he will be like, liberally, he will be reading. After another half an hour, 45 minutes, he will get up. After another 5 minutes, he will come and sit. And his concentration.
No, I have asked you this. I have asked you last when I spoke to you. I have told you categorically that you will have to inculcate a habit of sitting for around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. That is something that you have to inculcate. Cultivate that idea. Cultivate that idea and bring into practice. First, you have to cultivate in brain. Okay, and only then it can be brought into practice. Is it okay, home? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you need to cultivate in brain and then bring it to practice. It is not something to be snigger. It is not something to be snorting about. Okay, dear? So please try to understand we are over here on a very serious note. So don't grin, don't snigger. Okay, dear? It's not about grinning. It's very important for your life. You need to understand that you'll have to sit for 6 hours when you take examination of IIT Advanced. You have to inculcate that idea and later the habit of sitting for around 2 hours, if not to minimum 1.5 hours on a regular basis. You're not to get up. Getting it, yeah? Come what may, you have to say to yourself, I'll not get up. I'll be with rapt attention studying for at least 1.5 hours. When you begin, promise yourself this. Okay? When you begin, promise yourself this, it's a courage of conviction, and I presume that you're courageous enough. If you don't have conviction, nothing in life will work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I don't want to get this again as a reiteration from your parents. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And ma'am, if you do fine, please give me a call.
Yes, yes, sir. And I will send to you whatever he is doing every day.
Yeah. Please
By
update
like
me.
that I
Please
user.
yeah, sure. Please update me. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. And one more thing,
Yeah.
this he is not, even I am also, I also wanted to prepare some schedule for him like that. Now his school is there till 30. So how much time will be required for his preparation for that NCERT other subjects, English, social, that is there, no? And here maths, physics and chemistry, how to split the times that
I'll get you a schedule, ma'am. I'll get you a schedule. We have prescribed schedule for all grades. So I'll get you a schedule and that'll take care of all the subjects. Don't worry, ma'am. Okay? Social science, English, and I'll make him test waters on those subjects as well. I'll make him test waters on social science. I'll make him test waters on English as well. Okay?
Yes.
I'll make him test waters, don't worry, on both the subjects
Yes,
that
sir.
you're asking for, social science and English. Okay, there's a schedule I'll be passing on. See, ma'am, the problem is that 7 to 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I'm taking care of all. So there is a schedule that we have planned for every batch and every grade. I'll pass it on and just strictly follow it. Let's see what best they can get.
I'll see that, sir, that he will follow that. Whatever you tell, he will do.
Sure,
That I'll make sure.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Yeah, and with a cane, don't forget about the cane.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.